Anything else from either side?
No, Your Honor.
All right. We're off the record from here on out. Everything that you do, you need to ask yourself two questions. One, is this something that could result in me potentially going to prison for 2021 CR 8728B, State of Texas versus Brittany Marie Brubaker? Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Garrett, Your Honor.
Defense?
Meredith Chacon for Ms. Brubaker, Your Honor.
Are you Brittany Brubaker?
Yes, ma'am.
Showing you what's entitled motion to revoke community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Brittany Marie Brubaker who was placed on community supervision in 2021 CR 8728B for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams on February 23rd, 2022 for a term of 6 years? Is that you?
Community supervision, better known as probation. She got 6 years of it, but here's the catch. Even missing one monthly check-in can bring everything crashing down.
Yes, ma'am.
State?
Yes, Your Honor. Violated condition number 4 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Brittany Marie Brubaker, did in there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of March 2023 in violation condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
Waiver of any violated condition.
Any objections?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you to 6 years in prison and up to $1,000 fine? Did you understand?
Yes.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
Yes.
Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there an agreement?
Yes, there is, Your Honor. It is to deny the motion and continue with her on her preferred
She's on regular.
probation, Your Honor, and have her attend the state contracted ISF cognitive track, remain in custody until a treatment bed is available. In addition, transfer the probationer to ISP and complete the intensive outpatient treatment.
All right. Is that the agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Can you raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right. So I see here that you've been here before.
And here comes the judge's fire. Do you want to go to prison? That's not a rhetorical flourish. That's a gut punch. How would you answer if your freedom depended on it?
For not following the court's conditions of probation. So why are you not reporting?
I just messed up.
No, I mean, there has to be a reason. You know, you're looking at 6 years in prison. When you have a contract, when you're on probation, the contract is not between your attorney and the state. I don't have to follow their agreement. The contract is with the court. So why are you not reporting? Would you like to go to prison?
No.
Then why are you behaving as though you want to go to prison? Because last time you were here, and I didn't hear the motion of Judge heard the motion, there was a violation of condition number 2 and number 14 that you pled true to. And the conditions were alternate amended for SATIF, followed by aftercare, weekly UAs for 2 months. And there's to be CPS compliance. So why are you not doing what you need to do?
I went to go take a drug test on the day I got out, January 18th. And they didn't submit it till the 19th. So I'll get more consequences for them not submitting it to the 19th.
So what is the March? You're not reporting in March. What does that have to do with them not submitting things?
I just got discouraged.
Any questions?
No, Judge, I did have a conversation with my client about that being a poor choice and that she needed to own up to it and that the cognitive track they were offering her might help her with better decision making.
And what is happening with the CPS case?
It got closed.
So were her rights terminated or?
No, Your Honor, her son lives with her dad, which is where she was living.
Probation? So is this a good fit ISF? And did she ever complete SATIF?
She did 119 days in SATIF. The aftercare is where it kind of went awry. What Mr. Garahan stated, that is what the recommendation is from the probation department.
Okay. All right. I'm going to give you a choice. Sometimes I can give people choices. Sometimes I cannot. I will grant the motion and sentence you to 2 years in the prison, or I will follow the recommendation that's been tendered. Which would you prefer?
Wait, did you catch that? Offered treatment or 2 years in prison, and she chose prison. This is one of those jaw-dropping moments that leaves the whole courtroom stunned.
The two.
You want to speak to your attorney about that or no?
Yeah. That's what I said.
Okay. All right, I'll deny the motion. Alter and amend conditions to include state ISF cognitive, followed by ISP. Probation, is there anything else she needs?
I would say after she is released from state ISF, and complete intensive outpatient treatment,
All right.
maybe weekly reporting for a month.
All right, that'll be followed by intensive outpatient treatment with probation. And instead of weekly reporting, we'll just do the UA hotline until further notice.
That's fine.
Is there anything else that you need from the court? All right, in this court, communication is key. If there's an issue and you feel as though probation is not addressing it, you can always come back to the court. I'm here. You understand? Now, is there anything else you need to be successful? All right, do not come back here for not reporting again. You understand? All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
Mr. Manjares or Manjares. All right, thank you. I'm working on my pronunciations. So we have an issue, and the issue is with drug use. So they're requesting a residential treatment. Yes or no? You understand?
Residential treatment, can you explain me a little bit more about it?
That means that you will receive treatment inpatient, and hopefully that will help you with any drug issues you may be having, because it appears that you won't stop using marijuana.
I already stopped using marijuana.
All right. If you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
Did you hear that? He admits he'll test positive, but claims it's not for marijuana. That's like saying, "Don't worry, Judge, it's just a different drug." Yikes.
Positive, but not for marijuana. Well, anyways, it's a drug.
No, because the problem is, and I understand people say marijuana stay in your system, but this marijuana has been in your system since February 2022. It should be gone by now.
Yeah, it should.
So, why? And you were positive in March for marijuana of this year, and in May of this year, you're positive for marijuana. From March to May, there should not be marijuana in your system.
I went to a rehab treatment, and I just get out of there like a month ago.
So you've been in inpatient treatment.
Yes, Your Honor.
You should have led with that.
Oh, I'm sorry for that.
No problem. Let me see. That's what you need to lead with. Judge, I've been to inpatient treatment.
Your Honor, this has been, it's been a while since the supplemental report was submitted.
Okay.
And so the update, but we didn't have the compliance hearing because he was in that residential facility. So from my understanding, he was in the facility for a little over a month.
All right. So when's the last time you used marijuana or anything illegal?
Last week I relapsed.
See, I mean,
Yeah.
So it appears that it did not work. And do you need an interpreter? Because I see written on here.
No, I got it.
All right, so we need to figure out what to do with you because you won't stop using marijuana. And I realize people say marijuana is not a big to do, but in Texas, it's a big to do because it's illegal.
Yeah.
And You just won't stop using marijuana. That's a problem.
But what I want to say is that since I get out of rehab, I stopped smoking marijuana.
But no, you just told me you relapsed recently.
Yeah, but it's something else.
See, yeah, I mean, that's a problem.
Did you start using?
Man. I just wanted to let you know, but I'm trying my hardest to.
I know, and we're going to try to work with you, but obviously you have a problem because you're looking at 10 years in prison.
Yes.
And you can't give up marijuana.
Well, marijuana for sure, I really leave it alone.
But here's the thing: you go from marijuana to now it's meth, and it's something else.
Yeah.
So why are you using?
Pues, I know it's not an excuse, but when I was in rehab, my dad passed away. Just me being in rehab, and he was outside, I wasn't able to see him.
Mm-hmm.
And then coming outside.
You could have seen him. People come to court all the time and say, "Judge, this is what's happened in my life. Can I go see my relative?" And I say, "Sure."
Yeah. They let me go 2 days to go see him and say bye to him. They thought that I was not gonna come back to rehab because of the situation. Pero I made it back, and pero the problem is now that I'm outside, things are not being easy for me. Since he's not here, I know it's no excuse. I know I'm a grown-up man, pero my mom and my family is the one that if I still want to be clean and I want to be a better, they still look at me and treat me like I'm a drug addict, you know, and that breaks me down really bad all the time. My mom telling me that my dad is dead because of me and stuff like that. It only caused me to sometimes I prefer just to be in jail.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Well, this is what I can tell you. People who have addictions, and this is from me during research, this is from me being involved in treatment courts, this is from me watching documentaries. When people have addictions, you will always have that addiction, right?
Yes.
But it's just a matter of, are you going to bend to temptation? Because every day is a day for you not to use. Every day is a day for you to wake up and say, I won't use today. From my understanding, nobody is supposed to say, I'm not going to use for 2 weeks or 10 years. Nope.
And here's the wisdom. Recovery isn't about forever. It's about today. One day at a time. That's the difference between freedom and prison.
It's supposed to be every day. That's supposed to be your mantra.
Yeah.
Because you can easily fall off the wagon. Something bad happens, and instead of pulling out the tools in your toolbox to stop you from using, you break down and use.
Yes.
So are you able to go back to inpatient at the previous treatment facility?
Well, I just get fired from my job last week. This past Monday. Right now I don't have any medical insurance.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm working on having a job for tomorrow. And then if I'm able to get a medical insurance, I might be able to go back to rehab if that's what you want.
All right. So this is what we're going to do. And probation, I say this is what we're going to do, but let me know if this seems like a good idea to you. Put him on intensive outpatient treatment and put him on the UA hotline. And if his levels increase, then we're going to have to file a motion to revoke. What are your thoughts?
Do you feel like you need residential treatment more than outpatient treatment, or?
To be honest, it's up to you guys. I really want to stop doing this, but the thing is, family, I mean, is still treating me like no matter what I do, no matter how hard I try, they still fucking kicking me in the ass all the time.
No, the thing is, what I was looking at, he was saying that he may be employed next week and then he'll be able to do it through his insurance. So when are you expecting this employment to happen?
What, this week already?
All right. So that's why I'm thinking about doing the intensive.
Your Honor, if it's okay, we go ahead and modify the conditions for the intensive outpatient in the UA hotline.
Mhm.
I would like to get an update from the CSO in regards to his employment status by the end of next week, and then maybe if the employment status is still unemployed, possibly status.
Okay. All right. So that's what we're going to do.
Mhm.
You understand? So it's very important that you remain clean and do the 90 sober meetings in 90 days. You need to do sober meetings every day
Okay.
because you will meet people who have the same struggles that you have. And I'm going to tell you something that I would always tell my clients. And this is what you have to realize. When you have addictions, I'm sure that you were dishonest with your parents. You didn't tell them, hey, I'll be back in a little bit. I'm going to go smoke some marijuana. I'm going to do drugs. You told them stories that were not true. And so right now, your level of trust with your mom or your level of trust with your family is probably less than zero. And you can't expect to, I'm on this new path. I'm clean and sober now. So everybody just know I'm clean and sober and forget about everything that's happened in the past. That's not the way life works. So you have to build up their trust. And continuing to use is not building up their trust and is not building up your trust with the court. You understand?
Okay.
All right. So let's do that.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.